Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. A quick recipe that I'm gonna use for supper tonight is gonna be stewed beef. And I'm gonna put it in the crock pot. Just gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna spray my crock pot with a little bit of cooking spray. I'm gonna add my 2 packets of stewed beef to my crock pot. This one's an easy one, and also it can cook all day on low. In your crock pot, it'll be ready when you get home from work or running errands or whatever you've got going on that day. And you can serve it over rice, you can serve it over noodles, or you can serve it over cream potatoes. And tonight I'm going to do cream potatoes with mine. So into the pot goes my meat, and I have 2 packets, and they are 1.23 pounds. And this will feed, gosh, this would feed 6 to 8 people very easily, and probably have leftovers. Okay, into the pot, into the crock pot. Now to season this, I'm going to use 1 packet of onion soup mix. And I'm going to cook mine low and slow for 8 hours. You could cook it on high for 4. But I'm going to add the onion soup, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You could use cream of celery. You could use cream of potato. And then I'm going to add 1 can of water. And then I'm going to add just a shake of crushed red pepper, just to give it a little bit of heat. Not a lot, just a little bit. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of red pepper on there, crushed red pepper. And that is what we're having for supper tonight. I'll show a picture of it when it's done. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. A little crock pot cooking today. That's what's going on in my kitchen. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.